I have not seen the aftermath. I don't know if I want to see the aftermath. I did hear the Fort Lauderdale mayor talk, basically saying stay off the roads. Don't go near power lines. Just don't even. Just don't. Because listen, I saw that there was quite a bit of flooding. I don't know if Fort Lauderdale was flooded, but I do know that there were storm surges. So if there's a storm surge and your power line snapped, which apparently like 75% of Miami-Dade County is out of power, and you decide to walk in the water, you could get electrocuted and die. So please don't do that. Please stay safe. Be careful when you're outside if you choose to go outside. And you know, I would let the water kind of go back in the ocean where it's supposed to be before I go outside and start walking around in it. That's a lot of geese because I don't know what's in that water. So just be really, really, really careful. Guys, look at what my mom got me. She got me a cake. And I've never had this one. This is Sinfully chocolate. And it's like all chocolate. I've already had a piece. It's pretty good. Grasshopper. Haha. Happy Thursday. Today, it's probably 68, 69 degrees. It's actually really, really, really nice. I finally showered. Can you tell? Probably not, because I haven't vlogged. Oh, and I'm sick. I'm going to the grocery. I think I have my list. I really hope I do. But I'm sick, and so the struggle that I'm having right now is I'm sick, like mucus sick, like I have a lot of mucus. And apparently all I eat is dairy. So if you don't know anything about being sick, basically when you're sick you should avoid dairy because dairy produces a lot of mucus. So I've noticed that last night I couldn't sleep at all. There was just so I couldn't breathe. So today I've tried to stay away from dairy, but literally that's all that I have in my house. And who would have thought that I was once a vegan?